Road trip today. We're going to go to Coleraine and pick up some bits and pieces for the van. I'm looking for a light switch because I've already broke my existing one, and some bits and pieces to go around the engine so I can get the bumper properly on there, and also a relay 36 switch for the, what do you call it, for when you've left your lights on, because yeah, I can see me killing my battery otherwise. So we'll see you in a bit. So I'm back from the scrapyard and I managed to buy a new step, and I paid 60 quid for this, the light fitting, and a wee what do you call it, coat hook replacement, because all I've got is the backing for it, and rear, well, the seat belt covers to go in the double seat, because the one I've got is a bit tatty looking. Even this is a bit tatty, and I've tried to clean it up a bit. Previous owner's kids must have drew on it from the scrapyard. So what I'm going to do instead is just cover it in 4-way. I think I'll tackle the panels and just recover them. They're in the back. I've got my trestle tables up, and what I'll do is I'll just recover them. Not even strip the carpet off, just put another layer over the top. What odds? So that's what we'll be doing today. So you can tag along. So the insulation's done, walls done, ceiling, obviously you can see it's done. I'm just hooking out the door card for the sliding door, so what I'm going to do is cover that. It'll probably be a bit thick because there's already a layer on there, and it seems to be rubbing already on the side rails, but it's the best thing I can do at the moment. So yeah, they do say wear gloves, but I just find that the gloves stick to the insulation and it's harder to get off. It's always easier to get this off, just a bit of contact really. So so just that to do now, and I'm going to call it a day, I think, because the next thing I need to do is sort of suss out where all the points are going to be. So I'm just going to get sheets of paper and work that out, and then mark them on the boards and just drill little holes through, just so I want to have proper guides really, because I want them secure on there. Once the panels, I'm going to test fit the panels so I can see where the metal is showing, and I'm going to use my carpet and cover any of the white areas as well, all the exposed. Not sure about this. I think it sort of needs a frame. Don't know. I don't know if I can get a nice clean cut right up. I might try it though. It's sort of one of them things you sort of have to commit to really, I guess. Other than that, so I'll just crack on. See you in a bit. Bye.